Hello beauty and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decided to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. If you're not new here, then thank you so much for coming back for another video. Alright, so for today's video on my Facebook page, I had asked my followers if they could comment colors, just to give me random colors, either color combos or whatever. So today's color was from Miriam. She sent me a picture that had these colors in it, so I kind of just did my version. And if of course you want to suggest a color, go ahead and comment down below and I'll see what I come up with for you. I've decided to name the look after you guys because you guys requested it. So if you guys do like that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you do want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright love, so this is the finished look. I live, okay? This was such a cute combo. I had no idea how this was gonna come out or what I wanted to do, so I'm super excited. Ooh, yes! So thank you once again for watching, my love. I always appreciate your time. The last video that I did was actually for my best friend. She picked out the color purple, so I named the look Bestie. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna leave that down below in the description box. If you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, you better subscribe, okay? I don't know what you're waiting for. Alright you guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!